everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to do a Valentine's Day gift idea session with you. I know the year has just started, but it's already February. Isn't that crazy? And of course, in February, there is Valentine's Day, or sometimes we call it Galentine's Day, but it's a great time to show your appreciation, your love for your friends, your family, your significant other, or even your pets. So I've curated a list. I've kind of was thinking about it myself. What should I get for my husband? But yes, I would like to share some of the ideas that you could get for your girlfriends here as well. And I have listed different categories and an example from each of the categories, but that obviously doesn't mean is the only thing you can get. It's just an idea. So I'll also mention any promo codes or discount codes that I have for you as well. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. So I do have a list of 6 categories and then an item from each to share with you. I try to pick things that are within most people's budget, so hopefully this is helpful, and I'll also list links below as well as we go. If you have any ideas of your own that I have not listed here, do leave it in the comments below so that we can all share. So the first category I want to share with you is jewelry. You know, I've shared a lot of jewelry unboxings here on my channel. I love anything from very small, tiny brands to like large luxury brands. So I love my Van Cleef necklace. I also love, you know, my Hermes watch, or I also love my Astor and Miu sets, and over the years I've collected quite a lot of different jewelry. My skin is sensitive though, so if you know somebody who also has sensitive skin, then you may want to watch out and get things that are either sterling silver, surgical steel, or at least 18 karat gold. I usually opt for things that are sterling silver based filled, and then like either covered with gold or covered with rhodium, so make it silver or rose gold. Those have been generally better for me, but yeah, just a heads up. The one brand that I want to mention from this category is actually Biwako, and it is a Japanese brand. So I'm so excited because I've never heard about this brand before, but I just tried their earrings and it is amazing. So let me share with you. This is the box that it came in. I mean, there's a bigger box around it. It's a cardboard box, but this is the jewelry box. So this is a great gift. It is beautiful. It says Biwako right there. So we can open it up just to take a look. And you can see there is a little opening right here. Gonna take this jewelry box out, and immediately I can see that the jewelry box is very reminiscent of my VCA actually, except it's obviously in like an off-white versus the green. And it says Biwako right there. This is like a very nice felt, soft felt material. And wow, look at those. I don't know if you guys can see the details, but there are 2 big pearl drop pearls and then a red kind of jewelry charm right there. And then this is gold. So this is called the Pearl Dangle Earrings, and it is freshwater pearl here. It is the Shiratama white jade pearl type, and then it is 24 karat gold vermeil. So it means it is 24 karat gold plated, but with sterling silver underneath. So if you have sensitive skin, or if you know somebody with sensitive skin, then this is a great one to get. They also have solid gold pieces as well. And those are obviously a little bit more expensive, but yeah, this one is definitely a great value. The pieces feel heavy, like sturdy, weighted. Let me go ahead and put these on and tell you more about the brand. So Biwako means Lake Biwa, which is where the birth of freshwater pearls is in Japan. And it's been there for over a century now, so this company knows what they're doing. It's actually a multi-generational company, and now the granddaughter has taken over the company, but has made fresh twists of classic pearl pieces to make it more fashionable and more wearable for every day. So I absolutely love the feeling of this pair of earrings. It's very, very like well made, and it's very unique. And I think it's a great Valentine's Day gift. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. The pearls, you could tell, are not like perfect, but that's because it's natural. It's not like lab made. So yeah, it's wow. I love the red dot as well right there. It gives it a pop of color. And then the gold, it just makes it look so good. Okay, let me just scoot back so you can kind of see. Wow, against my dark hair, it really pops as well. It is definitely a statement piece. I can see myself totally wearing it for Valentine's Day dinner, Lunar New Year, any parties that I go to. It's a beautiful. I could feel the weight as well, but it's not so heavy that it's like, it feels good. Like it feels substantial. Let me put on the other one. I really like this style. I think this style can work with something like this, which I'm wearing just a cardigan and a t-shirt. I think it definitely obviously zhuzhed up my look, and it's definitely beautiful. So I love it. I just can't stop looking at it in the viewfinder. But yeah, it is beautiful. Look at the movement. And like I said, I could see myself wearing this to a fancy party, beautiful dress, cocktail dress, but I can also see myself wearing it more low key and dressing up something that's more casual, like my cardigan today. Yeah, it's just beautiful. And this is a great gift for yourself, but it's also a great gift for, let's say your girlfriend or your mom, because it is a classic piece. It does look traditional, but I do feel like there's a very sparked up version of a traditional pearl earring look. Just everything that they add to it makes it look a little bit different and a little bit more special. I just feel so fancy right now. Like whenever you put on something, whether it's clothing, jewelry, you just feel more uplifted, and therefore you kind of present yourself more kind of in a powerful, strong mode. I don't know if you guys feel that way too, but this pair of earrings definitely does that for me. So I highly recommend this one. I do have a promo code for you if you're interested in saving 15%. It's angeleyn15. I'll list it below as well. So yeah, with angeleyn15 you can get 15% off anything on their website. And yeah, this is so beautiful. I really want to try some of their necklaces now. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next category so that this video is not too long, and that is my favorite handbags, and I'm also adding some SLGs in here. So over the years, you'll see that I've collected quite a bit of handbags and SLGs, and while I do love a lot of them, I think for the price that you're probably going to buy it for somebody for Valentine's Day, I thought to go for something that is on the more reasonable side. So the brand that I would recommend in this category is Oleada. I have spoken about Oleada before, and I know a lot of you do like Oleada, so it's no surprise that I would pick this brand for this category. The bag that I think is great as a gift is this one. This is the mini anchor bag, and oh my gosh, I have loved this. Is like my first intro to this brand, but I have loved this bag so much that I have two. One is in the full leather in the sort of beigey color, and one is in the two-tone. This one has smooth leather but also some fabric material, and they're both lovely. I have this one set as a backpack. This one is currently as a top handle, but it's so versatile because you can also wear it as a crossbody. Currently these are on sale right now, and I have a promo code that you can take 22% additional off of the sale price. So yeah, definitely use angeleyn25. I have a new code now. It's a new year. So for 2025, use angeleyn25 to get 22% off of anything on their website. Plus, you can get a free Cœur pouch. I'll pop a picture here with your order. So I hope you can take advantage of that. It expires February 14th, so definitely jump on it. Another item from Oleada I do think is also a great purchase for a gift is this toiletry pouch. It's a two-tone toiletry pouch, and it has a very smooth zipper on top. The inside is a lined material, so as a toiletry pouch, if something spills, it's easily wipeable. But unlike other toiletry pouches, this one actually has two rings so that you can hook a chain. So there's one on this side as well. So you can hook a chain across and actually wear this as a shoulder bag if you are out and about and needed something. So if you can toss this in your tote, but then you can also use it as like you're going out clutch or bag. So this is a great value, I think. And so again, this one, if you use angeleyn 25 at checkout, you'll get 22% off between now and February 14th. Next category is candy and chocolate. So of course for Valentine's Day, you would get someone candy. I mean, that's like the most classic thing to do, right? So my favorite place to get special candy and chocolates is actually Sugarfina. I've been buying Sugarfina for many, many years, and they have anything from, you know, hard candy, sour candy, gummies, chocolates. They have so many different options. And for Valentine's Day, they actually have a special trunk for 2025. So I'll pop a picture up here, but I'll also show you one that I've gotten in the past. So this one is the one that I have. The one for this year's Valentine's Day is all looks a little different in color, but it's essentially the same, where there's like a little like latch, and then you open it up and wow. I've already eaten some obviously, but you can see that it's all nested into like these little boxes are all nested into this, where there's 9 of them. But yeah, it's a great gift, very special, very like bam, but the price is not too bad. I believe this year's box or trunk is $135. I will link that below if you would like to give a very special candy chocolate gift. I do want to say that Sugarfina has free shipping if it's $150 or more. If you buy just this, which is $135, it's better to go through department stores like Macy's because they do free shipping. So I will list Macy's link below. It's the same price, but it's free shipping. So hopefully that helps you with your purchase. Next category is makeup or skincare. The one that I want to recommend here is the Dior Lip Maximizer. It's my favorite lip product, and I just love it. And when you buy Dior online, you do get their special packaging. So I got this one in the mail recently. This one is the Lunar New Year one, but I think there's a special one for Valentine's Day as well. But I love their different boxes, and this is no exception. So I bought a bunch of stuff during this order. I bought a on-off mousse, so it's like a face wash, but I also bought their newest solid perfume. So this one is in the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. It's a little stick. It almost looks like a lipstick. I love the houndstooth in the pink, but you pull this and then there is the stick. So you apply this on your skin and then it smells of the fragrance. Ooh, it smells really good. So that's something that I did buy. But the one that I am actually recommending is their Lip Maximizer. So I have so many different colors. The one that I really like is this blue one. It brightens up your teeth because it neutralizes the yellow. But yeah, this is an old one that I have as well in the lilac, but both of these are in their spring collection. They have so many different other colors, but these are a great gift, especially if you buy it on their website. They do have special packaging, so when you send it off to somebody, it looks very special, and like it's just that extra touch to let them know that you care about them. So yes, I would recommend the Lip Maximizer, which is my favorite lip product, but they also have a lot of other options as well. I know you guys like promo codes because when I put them up on my video, you guys go all over it. So I will list a few that I have found or that are still valid in the description box below if you're interested in getting a freebie. Oh, but know about the freebie. The last time I did use a promo code to get a freebie, they actually ran out and I didn't know about it because they didn't let me know. And then when I opened the box, it wasn't there. So when I emailed them, they were like, oh, we ran out. We have to do better in informing people. I was like, yes, that would be good. So just FYI, I don't want you to get disappointed. So just make sure you buy things that you would like. And the freebie is just, you know, additional, but hopefully they do make their system better so that you don't buy it, get get the freebie and then it doesn't deliver. All right, moving on to kitchen. Kitchen, there's so many things that you can do, but the one that I would recommend is actually a Le Creuset mini coquette baking stoneware. It looks like this. Let me just open it. I have used this already, but this is just how I store it. It's very cute. So it looks like this. This one is so pretty. The one that I would recommend is actually the one where there's a heart at the top. It's so beautiful, and you can buy this in many department stores. I found one at Nordstrom, and it's in this shallot color. So, so, so cute. But yeah, the heart is just perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you have someone who loves making little desserts or like little small French onion soup, this is perfect for them. You can bake with it. It's very easy. I've used it many times and it still looks pristine. So cute. And if they don't bake, you know what? This is a great container anyway. So yes, great idea. Under $50. All right, the last category that I want to tell you about is home. There are a lot of home things like pillows, blankets, but the one that I want to point out here is a candle set from Diptyque. So this one is the Valentine's Day candle set, which includes the bays and the roses in these very beautiful packaging. I'll pop a picture up here because I don't have it, but I am thinking about getting it. This is great to gift to, you know, your girlfriend, your mom, aunt, anybody who loves a little bit of extra scent in their home. This is great, and it just looks beautiful as well. So if you are interested in that, I will link it below. It's again available at multiple retailers, but I like to go where there is free shipping. So I'll list one down below where you can get free shipping. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to hear if I've missed anything that you think should definitely be included in a Valentine's Day gift. I know I didn't include a lot of guy ones. I did get my husband something that is more apparel, so I did not list it here because it's very hard to like say what size. So I try to go for something that is more size, if that makes sense. But yes, I do think chocolates, candies are definitely great for guys. If your guy likes home smells, candles, that's also another great one. If you have girlfriends, I would highly recommend this pair of earrings. The more I wear it, the more I'm just like in love with it. But yes, the SLGs, the handbags, the little totes are amazing. So you look below for links as well as promo codes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.